Dhanashri Verma and Yuzvendra Chahal. Rumors of a rift in recent weeks. Rumors surrounding the relationship of Dhanashri Verma and Yuzvendra Chahal have taken the internet by storm. The popular celebrity couple, known for their vibrant social media presence and chemistry, has found themselves at the center of speculation after fans noticed significant changes on their Instagram profiles. Both individuals have reportedly deleted pictures of each other and unfollowed one another, fueling gossip about a possible rift in their marriage. The background: a love story in the public eye, Dhanashri Verma, a celebrated choreographer and social media influencer, and Yuzvendra Chahal, one of India's leading cricketers, tied the knot in December 2020. Their union was a grand affair, drawing attention from fans and media alike. The couple's relationship blossomed during the COVID-19 lockdown, when they reportedly grew close during virtual dance classes. Since then, they have shared snippets of their lives, both personal and professional, with their followers. From romantic vacations to humorous reels, the duo seemed to embody the image of a happy modern couple. Their mutual support for each other's careers was evident in their posts, with Dhanashri cheering for Chahal on cricket grounds and Chahal promoting her dance videos. This public persona of love and camaraderie made the recent developments all the more surprising for their fans. The Instagram drama's social media sleuths first noticed that Dhanashri and Chahal had unfollowed each other on Instagram, an action that often signals trouble in paradise for celebrity couples. Soon after, fans pointed out that they had also deleted several pictures featuring each other from their respective accounts. These actions were enough to spark a flurry of rumors about a possible separation or divorce. In the digital age, social media activities often become a window into celebrities' personal lives. Fans and media outlets alike dissect every post, comment, and like for clues about their favorite stars. In the case of Dhanashri and Chahal, their sudden and synchronized actions on Instagram seemed too deliberate to be mere coincidence. The reaction from fans: the news spread like wildfire, with fans expressing their shock and disappointment on various platforms. Many took to Twitter and Instagram to share their thoughts, with hashtags like Dhanashri Verma and Yuzvendra Chahal trending briefly. While some fans speculated about the reasons behind the apparent rift, others urged people to respect their privacy and avoid jumping to conclusions. Memes and jokes about the situation also began circulating, a phenomenon that often accompanies high-profile celebrity gossip in India. However, there was also an outpouring of support for the couple, with many fans hoping that the rumors were unfounded and that the two would address the situation publicly. Silence from the couple. As of now, neither Dhanashri Verma nor Yuzvendra Chahal has issued any official statement regarding the rumors. Their silence has only added fuel to the fire, as fans and media outlets continue to speculate about the state of their marriage. In the past, both have been vocal about their relationship, sharing milestones and celebrating each other's achievements. This sudden lack of communication has been interpreted by some as a sign of trouble. Celebrity relationships in the spotlight. This situation highlights the challenges faced by celebrity couples in maintaining their privacy. In an era where social media allows fans unprecedented access to their favorite stars' lives, maintaining boundaries can be difficult. Every action or lack thereof is scrutinized, often leading to misunderstandings and undue pressure. For Dhanashri and Chahal, their popularity has been both a blessing and a curse. While it has brought them closer to their fans, it has also made their personal lives a matter of public discussion. This is not the first time a high-profile couple has faced such scrutiny, and it likely won't be the last. The role of media. The media has played a significant role in amplifying the rumors. Tabloids and entertainment websites have published speculative articles, often citing unnamed sources, while some outlets have taken a more measured approach, urging readers to wait for an official statement. Others have sensationalized the situation. This has led to debates about the ethics of reporting on celebrities' personal lives. especially when no confirmation has been provided. Possible scenarios. While the exact reasons behind their social media actions remain unclear, several theories have been floated. Temporary disagreement. Like any couple, Dhanashree and Chahal may be going through a rough patch. Deleting pictures and unfollowing each other could be an impulsive reaction to a disagreement. Social media strategy. Some fans have speculated that the actions might be part of a larger social media